Bam. 9:55 actually, so less than 10 minutes, y'all. I took this quick weave out.
Just to get me, yeah, you so pretty. If everything is dipped in gold, then baby it will never grow.
Hey you guys, it's your girl Faye Sinclair, and thank you all for tuning back into my channel. And if you're new to my channel over here just lurking around, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you do not miss out on any of my videos. Okay, today we're gonna jump right into this video. Y'all, I'm coming to y'all looking like a bum. That's what I look like. I look like a bum. But I'm about to show you guys how to take out your quick weaves. A lot of people have been getting like the quick weaves, the flip over quick weaves and stuff like that. So I did my own quick weave. And I'm about to show you guys how to take this out in like less than minutes, literally. So let me take it out of this tired ponytail, y'all. I went to the gym this morning, so this is why it's looking like this. So yeah, this flip over done lasted me a good little bit, about 3 weeks, and it's time to take it down. First, you're gonna section off your hair from your quick weave. And I only had the front part out because this was a flip over, and I'm gonna just twist it up out of my way. Make sure that I don't cut anything or anything like that, because I did sew the cap down. Some people don't sew the cap down, some people do. I sewed it down just for longevity so that it would last. Also because I've been working out and stuff, and I was pulling it into a ponytail and stuff like that, so I didn't want the quick weave to start like lifting and coming off. Let's see, let's start a timer so I can see how long this is actually going to take me. Okay, y'all, I decided to pull my hair all the way up in the ponytail, and I forgot I used nylon thread instead of the regular cotton thread, and my braids have grown out a lot up under this quick weave. So we're gonna start my timer over because I didn't take nothing out. I haven't cut anything. We're gonna start the timer over, and I'm just gonna use water and conditioner to kind of lift the cap back some more so that I can find the thread to cut it, because my hair has grown out so much in it. Okay, so we're restarting this timer over. All right, so now start. This the real time now. Okay, so I'm gonna use this water. And it's gonna help to start lifting. I'm just using some Aussie Moist conditioner. she's off. Let's see. That's my time looking like. Bam. 9:55 actually. So less than 10 minutes, y'all. I took this quick weave on. So this is what my braids are looking like up under this quick weave. And so let's unravel it. Let's unbraid it and see if I lost some hair. I don't think I did. Like, no glue. It's stuck to my hair. I don't feel any type of glue or anything like that. I'm just gonna take them down. I believe I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 braids. If you do have your quick weave in like mine, like where you sewed it down around the perimeter, you probably will have some thread in your hair, but when you unbraid it, it's just gonna come right on out. And if you feel like you still got, and this isn't glue, this is from that like protective shield stuff that I put on it. So all you gotta do, it might feel like a little kind of like gummy, or yeah, I would say kind of gummy or whatever. Just spray some water. And get a little bit of your conditioner and pull it through, and then just separate. And literally comes right on out, y'all. So we got my hair down, y'all. Literally took less than 20 minutes, I would say. Okay, real quickly, I wanted to show you guys before I ended the video how it slid right on off. Like, all the tracks are still intact. This could literally be like a wig. So there's no hair. None of my hair is on the wig cap. Yeah, this is how I take off my quick weaves, and it's how I take off my quick weaves on my clients as well. So yeah. All right, y'all, so I just wanted to come on here and show y'all my method of taking my quick weave down so that y'all can know how to take yours down and that you won't mess up your hair. If y'all like to see more videos like this, hair tutorials, how-tos and stuff, let me know in the comment section below and I will bring y'all the videos, okay? I will bring you some more. All right, I will see you guys in my next video.